Hey, this is Ryan with Mission Darkness. On my back right now, I have the Mission Darkness Forensic Drone Cloak. Now, this is a cloak that's going to cover any drone that fits within the size of the canopy of this product, which I'll get out in a second. And the reason that you're going to want to do that is for tactical operations of any downed drone, where you may want to block Wi-Fi, cell, GPS signals, any signals emitting from that drone that might relate to an operator behind the scenes operating it, someone viewing a camera, some other party. If you want to block any signals of that drone and analyze it, x-ray it, simply just have the peace of mind that maybe a detonator won't actually go off. That's what this product is going to do. Now, it's a cover that sits on top of the drone. You could get this cover out and place it on the drone nearby if you want to just do it quickly. We also have about a 12 to 15 foot standoff telescoping pole if you want sort of a safe distance and you want to drop it on there. So I'll demonstrate the safe distance. First of all, this case is really nice. It has a number of pockets so you can organize anything else that might be related to drone seizure or recovery. And then you've got the pole, and then you have the actual canopy on the inside. So first thing I'm going to do before I step out of frame is just connect this to the pole. It's an extra piece with the hook on it. This hook grabs the canopy, or the cloak rather, and sets it on top. And I'll step out of frame here after I show you the cloak. So this is a special type of fabric that's in a number of layers that's designed to block the drone underneath. And it looks like this. This is going to get sat over there, and I'll lift it over. It simply comes to a hook at a point where I can drop it over the top. And then for the telescoping pole, this is really quick. I just toss it out. This takes 10 seconds there. And this gives me a safe standoff distance. Okay, so I'll move this over to the side. With this pole, I can drop the cover on top of the drone, just like this. Release the cover, the cloak, and that's it. The flex fabric that we have here, this particular fabric is designed to drape all around the drone. We've tested it in many scenarios: rocks, gravel, uneven surfaces, grass, concrete. In nearly all of the scenarios that we tested, this particular configuration done in the method that we've executed here blocks the majority of signals that you might encounter with this. After that, you can transport the drone, analyze it, x-ray it, whatever you want to do, and have a high level of confidence that no transmissions are leaving that drone or entering the drone after this cover is put on. This is the Mission Darkness Drone Cloak, and I'm Ryan.